Angelic, and I'm gonna make Poppyseed Chicken for you today. Alright, so the ingredients that I have are 6 chicken breasts, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 stack of Ritz crackers, 1 tablespoon of poppy seed, 1 stick of butter, and 1 can of cream of chicken. First, we're gonna bring the water to a boil, so I'm just gonna heat this up, and then we're gonna wait. Alright, so now we're just gonna let the chicken boil, and we're gonna wait about 15 minutes. Alright, so the chicken got done cooking, so now I'm just going to be cutting it up. So I'm just going to be cutting this in half, and then I'm taking a fork and I'm kind of just shredding it, just kind of like sort of trying to make it into small shreds of chicken. Some history I got on the chicken is in Great Britain, over 3/4 of all litter from chicken production is used to generate electricity, which I thought was pretty cool. In 2007, 95% of commercial restaurants had chicken on the menu. And I can't really think of a restaurant right now that doesn't have chicken like on their menu. So I thought that was pretty cool. More than half of all chicken entrees ordered in restaurants are fried chicken, which is unhealthy, but you know, it's America. Alright, so yeah. Okay, now that I have the chicken all shredded up, I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to crush up the Ritz crackers. So I'm just gonna crushing them in the bag so that it kind of stays in there. A fun fact I have about Ritz crackers is that they're named after a hotel called the Ritz. It's gonna start to kind of fall out of the bag. Just kind of take it out. Okay, so now I'm just taking the back of the ladle and I'm just gonna crushing up all the big pieces so that you don't have any large ones. You want it all crushed up. Alright, so now that all this is crushed up, I'm just going to pour this into the smaller bowl. Then I'm going to take my melted butter and I'm going to pour that on in there. And I'm just going to mix that up. Nice. I'm just going to mix in the poppy seed into the mix. Now I'm taking the cream of chicken and I'm just going to put that in there in this large bowl. Alright, then I'm going to take the sour cream and put that on in there. Now I'm just mixing these together and such. Alright, so now I'm just adding the chicken to the mixture. Just going to pour this on into the and I'm just gonna sort of spread it around. Evenly. I'm preheating the oven to 350. Now I'm putting the topping on to it. Just kind of spread that out across it. And yeah. Now we're gonna put it into the oven. And we're gonna set the timer to 30 minutes. Okay, so it's ready.